Hello everyone. Cartoon has been a vital part of everyone's childhood. The cartoon series not only meant to entertain us, but they play a very important role in teaching lessons of life. Walt Disney created the beloved animated character of Mickey Mouse and was the mastermind behind animations and theme parks. Disney was born on December 5, 1901. He grew up in a poor family. His artistic talent was sparked by a doctor in his neighborhood who asked him to draw a horse. Walt fell in love with drawing and painting and worked on improving his art by drawing cartoons from father's newspaper. During the fall of 1918, Disney attempted to enlist for military service, but he was rejected because he was only of 16 years. Walt joined the Red Cross and was sent overseas, where he spent a year driving an ambulance. The injuries and bloodshed he witnessed on daily basis, Walt found comfort in imagining new cartoon characters to fulfill his dream as an artist. Then he came back to the city and took up a job as a cartoonist, though he was soon fired with decline in revenue given the reason that he lacked imagination. He wrote Alice in Wonderland while struggling with the fall of his two businesses and then shifted to Hollywood to sell his story. His first cartoon business went bankrupt. His animators went on strike during World War II. He created a mouse which was called Mortimer Mouse and showed it to his wife Lily. Lily suggested giving the mouse a cute name such as Mickey. He is creator of the amusement parks that is Disneyland and Disney World. The park would have never seen the light of day had Disney not perceived after 300 rejections from financiers for the Mickey Mouse concept that started this incredible journey. Disney had a nervous breakdown after creating Mickey Mouse. The opening of Disneyland was called Black Sunday. He died of lung cancer at 65. After many failures, he continued to take even bigger risks. This led to fabulous financial reward. For more such personality, like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.